Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the most exciting road moments caught on Java's dashcam. And what a better way to start an episode than with a heated road rage between some pickup truck drivers. Check this one out. Driver in front refused to move, and all because he got assaulted, and he was probably on the phone with the cops.
Why not? Look at her. What is she doing? You should. My side.
When you are just minding your own business, but others in traffic want to mess with you.
Possibly do more because of scheduling and our time and all these things. But
Driver that is about to pull out at the intersection ran a red arrow light on his turn, and let's just say that some karma was delivered.
What the hell are you doing, lady? Seriously, good thing I'm getting this on tape. Get in. What the hell is this lady doing?
Impatient pickup truck driver pulled right out in front of the camera. He didn't even bother looking left nor right. But karma is about to pay him a nice visit soon enough.
A friendship of almost 3/4 of a century, having met on a cricket pitch back in the 1950s.
Australian Retirement Trust, the new super fund. Visit art.com.au for more information.
To Sport and Bulldogs coach Luke Beveridge says they're looking for...
This driver pulled a really rude maneuver as he squeezed in between two vehicles. But not everything that seems rude actually is. At least he raised his hand in apology, and that really made the camera's day. Drivers nowadays are really impatient. They resort to all sorts of crazy things. In this situation, for instance, the driver blew a stop sign just so he wouldn't be behind the camera.
Current loop video is now locked. Current loop video is now locked.
That's what I did when I drove to Alaska. Holy shit, some guy just about killed me.
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on Caught on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something new out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, that's the purpose of this channel, to make you think and learn simply by observing the mistakes of other drivers. If you like this type of content, feel free to leave a like, because we would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.